You ready to pay double or triple the cost to fix your car? Because that's where things are heading. Small independent auto repair shops are vanishing, and it's going to hurt your wallet. What's happening to your local mechanic? Small auto repair shops, the ones you've relied on for years, are being pushed out of business. Rising costs, high-tech barriers, and corporate control are forcing them to turn away jobs or close their doors for good. And it's not just bad news for shop owners. You're the ones who is going to have to pay for it. Today, we'll break down why this is happening, how it impacts you, and what can be done to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll understand the real reasons behind the disappearance of small auto repair shops, the financial hit you'll take as a car owner, and what you can do to support these businesses. I'm Chris, and I've spent years working in the automotive industry. I've seen firsthand how technology and corporate strategies are reshaping car repairs. Today, I'm sharing insights to help you navigate these changes and make informed decisions. Here's what we'll cover: why small repair shops are struggling, how it's affecting you, what needs to change. Picture this: Jeff owns a small auto shop in suburban Illinois. He's been in business for 20 years fixing everything from oil changes to engine rebuilds. But lately, he's had to turn away customers. Why? The software needed to diagnose a modern car costs about $40,000 a year. And that's just for one brand. Jeff can't afford it. Customers he used to help are being sent to the dealership, where they're paying twice as much for the same work. Jeff's shop might not last another year. Modern cars are computers on wheels. Fixing them requires tools that can cost tens of thousands of dollars per year. These tools are often brand specific. For example, a subscription for a BMW's diagnostic software could set a shop back $20,000 annually. Small businesses can't keep up with these costs, forcing them to specialize or shut down. Even beyond subscriptions, the hardware itself can be prohibitively expensive. A single scanner for advanced diagnostic might cost $10,000 or more, and when new models are released, those tools often require updates or replacements. Independent shops simply don't have the capital to keep pace. Car manufacturers are locking independent shops out of repair data. They've designed cars with secure gateway computers that only dealership tools can access. This forces consumers to return to dealerships where prices are much higher. A simple software update at a dealership can cost 3 times what an independent shop would charge if they had the right tools. And this isn't just about money, it's about control. By limiting access to repair data, manufacturers are creating a monopoly on service. Independent shops are being pushed out, and consumers are left with fewer choices. This lack of competition drives up prices and reduces quality. Small repair shops already operate on razor-thin margins. The added burden of pricey subscriptions and proprietary tools is just too much. Many shop owners are choosing to close rather than to go into debt trying to keep up. Consider the added challenges of staffing and training. Modern vehicles require technicians to have advanced knowledge of software and electronics. Training programs for these skills are expensive and time-consuming. For a small shop, investing in both tools and training can feel like an impossible hurdle. Let's be real, dealerships are expensive. Taking your Audi to the dealer for a brake job could cost you about $800 compared to $300 at an independent shop. With fewer small shops around, you won't have a choice. The problem isn't just with luxury brands. Even everyday vehicles like Hondas and Toyotas are increasingly dependent on proprietary tools and systems. Oil change that used to cost around $50 at a local shop might now set you back $150 at a dealership. These costs add up over the life of your car. In rural areas, independent shops are often the only option. If they disappear, you'll face long drives and higher costs just to fix a simple problem. Imagine living 50 miles from the nearest dealership. A repair that could have been done locally now requires a day off work, a long drive, and a hefty bill. This lack of accessibility disproportionately impacts low-income and rural communities, creating a ripple effect of financial strain. Dealerships are already overloaded with work. Fewer small shops mean even longer wait times for your car to get fixed. Need your car back in a day? Good luck with that. These delays aren't just inconvenient, they can be costly. If you rely on your car for work or family responsibilities, being without it for days or weeks can have serious challenges. Extended downtime might even lead to loss of income or additional expenses for temporary transportation. Here's what needs to change. Support right to repair legislation. Right to repair laws would require manufacturers to share repair data and tools with independent shops. This would level the playing field and give you more choices. These laws aren't just about supporting businesses, they're about consumer rights. You should have the freedom to choose where your car gets repaired. Right to repair legislation ensures transparency and competition, which benefits everyone. Whenever possible, take your car to a local shop instead of the dealership. Your support helps keep these businesses alive. Even small actions can make a big difference. Choose an independent shop for routine maintenances like oil changes and tire rotations. It gives them the revenue they need to stay afloat. Local mechanics often provide personalized service and build long-term relationships with their customers. You can advocate for fair practices. Contact your representatives and let them know you support fair access to repair tools and data. Small actions can lead to big changes. Advocacy doesn't have to be complicated. Signing petitions, writing emails, or even sharing videos like this one can raise awareness and push for change. The more people speak up, the harder it becomes for manufacturers to ignore the issue. The disappearance of small auto repair shops isn't just a business problem, it's your problem. Fewer shops mean fewer choices, higher costs, and more hassle for you. Supporting local mechanics and pushing for fairer practice isn't just about saving businesses, it's about protecting your wallet. Let's fight to keep independent repair shops alive, because when they win, we all win. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who cares about saving money on car repairs. Subscribe for more insights into the automotive world and drop a comment with your thoughts on the right to repair laws. Let's keep this conversation going. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Until next time.